Today I will be demoing an Eastwood Sidejack Pro Deluxe. This was requested by Punk Rock Is Dead. I haven't really done any sort of crazy modifications to it. The Sidejack Pro Deluxe has M90 pickups, which are essentially P90s but wired to be a little bit hotter, kind of like how Univox had them. The craziest thing I've done with my Sidejack is just cover the Eastwood logos on the pickups with some black electrical tape. The headstock is more so meant to be like the original Mosrites, however you want to say it. And I added just a little truss rod cover made out of paper that I printed out and cut out. And to get into the thick of it, I have a Nirvana incesticide pin on the very tip top of my Fender brown strap, and some Fender amp knobs that I got on Amazon. The selector switch is much higher on the body, pickguard, whatever you want to say, than the originals, which were much closer to those two screws. The Sidejack Pro Deluxe has, for some reason, two inlays in pearl, to where there's usually like just normally one then two on a typical Fender. So I thought that was pretty strange. But time for the tone demo. For my amp, I'll be using an 8050 VT. It's a combo amp. For my effects board, I'll be using a little small clone, a Boss DS1, and a OS2, with settings that I can get as close as possible to a little Sans amp.